Yes, good morning to everybody. Late is better than never. I am sure that I am once
Morning,
again
sir.
today. Yes, yes.
Morning, sir.
And welcome to the LLB 5DC students of Manar College of Law, Khammam. प्यारी सी सुबह का नमस्कार. That is, I put it over there on the screen. Hope that you might have seen it. And yes, I could see that people are present. A chat is there. Yes, good morning. And join with the 1808 L11008. Yes, very good. So that is the thing which I wanted. Yes, good morning, sir, with the hall ticket number. Well and good. Yes, I saw the chart. Then I found, yes, this is what I want actually, so that I could take the printout and not print out, take the screenshots and show to the Kakatiya University's authority. Yes, I'm sure that you are hearing my voice, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We are
yes.
listening, sir. Good
Please
morning.
tell me that
Morning, sir.
you could not hear it because I could not get the sound. Yeah, now I'm getting. Yes, yes, that's that I saw that your video you put it there. You will be seen on the screen that screen
I
everybody could
stopped it,
see
sir.
it. Yeah, the screen that everybody will be able to see it now. Yes, now you can switch off your video and mute your speaker. Then I would like to go for the next slide. That is yes. Today is the yeah. It is what happened. Yes. Let me check it whether you could saw that.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
yeah. That's I'm
Please
checking it.
speak loudly.
Okay, now how you are getting my voice? Is it very clear or something disturbance is there? You tell me. Yes, tell me how is your now the voice? My voice.
No, it's very clear, sir.
Yes.
It's
Thank
very
you very
clear.
much.
Okay.
Very nice. Yes,
Very,
just I
very
made
slow,
them
sir.
adjust.
Sorry, very low, sir. So voice is very
Uh,
low, sir.
but other people are saying it's very good, and because I speak
Voice
like I
is
speak.
fine, sir. Voice is okay.
Yes. You increase your sound, then you could know it. And this is the namaskar which I put it over there. Then and today I would like to share the another screen. Yes, today is I love you, mom and dad. If anybody is having the father and mother, so please pay the visit to them and say hello to them. And because now the COVID is there, if they are with you, it's well and good. You are blessed one. If you are not with you, then at least speak on the phone and make them happy. If they are demised, at least you pray for them for their soul rest in peace. This I would like to take the part. Now the time is yes 10:05. Then I can go to my actually the thing which I want to share it to you. That yes, this is the mood court, which is in red in color. And yes, yesterday that we dealt it moot court proposition 2 and the court of the principal district and session judge and what is SC and what is CC. Also we dealt it. And the parties sometimes they will ask the parties also, and at least you have to remember the party's name. And here the complaint is Dabodar, represented by the state of Telangana, and the next party is accused Anand, son of Dasrath. Then we can say occupation is written over there. See, when you write the occupation in abbreviation form, please don't write like that word. ACCU. No, better you make P there because the syllable agreed. Occupe, like that you have to make it out. Okay, the case is trial by the district and session judge. Well and good. Now I will come to the point of the here, which I want to share with you. Yes, do you see my screen or shall I increase the size of it? Yes, now you tell me, do you see my screen well? Anyone? You can chart also because I could see the chart. Yes, good morning, Rai Nageshwar Rao. Well and good. You made the things. Yeah. So participants, yes, I saw them. There are 27 participants are today. Good. I would like to see whether the record will be broken today or not because yesterday there is a 33 and today is a 27. But no matter, people will join in sooner or later. Yes. This is the style which I want it so that I can take the screenshot also and that will be helpful to show to the university, yes, these are the people, those who are present in our classes, and we took the classes in this way. But let me say that we are proud to say that among the colleges in the Kakatiya University, and I'm sure no, it is a fact also, it is a truth also that Maner College of Law is the best in conducting the online classes. That is the reward. It goes to the you, and because you are paying shown the much attention towards my classes and participating in it. Yes, come to the point of here. Can you say memorial submitted on behalf of the accused? Yes, anybody? Anyone?
Already submitted, sir.
Congratulations, sir. First
Yes,
of all,
sir,
good morning,
submitted
sir.
memorial.
We can say memorial or memorials, whatever.
No. The point is,
Submitted, sir.
see, the point is you have to say only memorial, not memorials. See, this is the sample which I have given to you. Now, yes, it should not be there. See, this is the sample which I have sent to you. You should say that memorial, not memorials. Please note the point. Sir, you are very much worried about it, sir. Yes, is there. What is wrong, sir? Memorial opposite, yes. No, memorial is a abstract noun. And for abstract noun, generally the grammar rule says there should not be any yes. Please note the point. Is it clear? So more better you say memorial, not memorials. Please, that is the very important factor that I would like to say here on the behalf of the students. So here the table of contents are there, is well and good. There is no problem at all. And there is some problem here I found in the, so when you write the index of authorities, see, I told you this is a side heading in one way, in another way. So the A should be capital letter here. A should be capital letter, that you have to make it out. So that would be the right way of writing. The things are concerned. Even I want to see that my student, they are good in speech, they are good in writing also. That is my intention. So can we say arguments or argument? Anyone? Participants?
You said we can say both.
But generally, because I don't agree, because the point is, whenever you're writing the side headings and subheadings and headings, please try to use singular form. But here I found in the most of the places I found arguments. But if you write argument also, it is not bad. It is correct also. But sometimes the usage beats the grammar. That's why we write the arguments. That's only the point which I want to share with you. Yes, well, good. Now the strength reached to the 28. Yes, it's good. Now we are going to it because now the 10 minutes are over. Because now the time is 10:09. Of course, 4 minutes I have taken. So when you come to the index of the abbreviations and acronyms, I already told you that and is ampersand, question marks, at. Sir, why you are showing all those things, sir? Suppose if the examiner will ask you to test it, what you wrote, whether you know its meaning or not, then what do you do it? So now here I want to show the things. VIZ is given over there. What is given over there? VIZ is given over there. Can you tell me? Can you tell me, anyone? Can you tell me what is it? VIZ.
Vedile, sir.
Pardon?
Vedile, sir.
Yes. Vedile set is a Latin terminology which I have already screened it and I shown on the screen, and its equivalent is namely. Now you tell me whether this Vedile set is abbreviation, contraction, or full form. Sir, this,
Contraction. It is a contraction.
what is the full form?
Vidila set.
No, that is the Vedile set is a contraction. What is the Vedile set full form? Like example, short form is EX. Full form is example. Yeah, now I would like to share this one because even for me also it's a new one. Yes, mute. So people are speaking each other. I would like to see who are speaking. Prasanna, mute. Prasanna, please mute. Salma Sheikh, please mute. These two people are there. they did not mute it. That's why I'm getting the sound. Yes, coming to the point which I want to share to you is Viz means the abbreviation Viz, or we can say VIZ without a full stop, is a short for the Latin videlicet, which itself is a contraction of the Latin phrase videre licet. I repeat, VIDERE space LICET. Videre licit. Short form is videlicet, meaning it is presumed, it is permitted to see. It is permitted to see. It is used as a synonym for the namely, that is to say, to wit, which is or as follows. For example, all types of data viz means namely. Generally, even myself also doesn't know, even don't know, that is the right word, don't know that viz is only the Latin terminology, and it is the videlicet is there, but videlicet also a contraction, but the full form of videlicet is videre licet. That is the full form of it, and its equivalent is namely, but actually the its meaning is it is permitted to see. That is actually the thing which I want to share with you. That is the reason that I have shown the Vigilet. I am sure that my students should not be put the zero face at any place. That is my intention. I want to see the students are more than me. That's why I shared this point with you. Just coming to the point of the indexes of the authority is concerned, there is no doubt at all, because we studied over there and the case law also. But the case laws are different in this case. Yes, now we will see that case law. That is what we did. Then bibliography also will written over there. But whenever you are writing, you don't make the blue one. See, how do you make the blue one to the black one? I'll tell you that you can go like this, then you can change it, then you can make it out, then it becomes a blue. Sir, are you teaching the computer techniques also, sir, or are you teaching? I teach everything so that my student not feel that they lack behind in any manner. Yes, that's my point. As the jurisdiction is concerned, that we discussed already yesterday, that is the section 85 of the Criminal Rules of the Practice and Circular Order 1990. And suppose some of the cases that you might have seen that SLP is written over there for the Supreme Court. In addition to that, Supreme Court rules sections also cited over there for that base, including the SLP and Supreme Court rules. Sections also cited over there in the Supreme Court, because I saw in different Supreme Court SLP filings. That's I want to share it. Yes, now come to the point of it. Statement of facts. Yes, very good. Suppose, let me check it. Suppose that the word that I am using it. Yes, we are welcome to the class. Yes, the participants I saw. Yes, the people are there in the lobby that I allowed them. Yes, at least today is 34. That means yes, they are record breaking. Yes, somebody people also joined over there. Yes, now become means it is the record break of yesterday. Yesterday is 34 and today is 35. I am sure that the students will get the benefit of my lectures. Yes, come to the point of this point is a statement of the fact is concerned. Let me ask a particular person to know that because sometimes the questions may be asked in this manner also. Let me check the people, those who are new to me. VVS Shankar, please. You unmute your microphone and you speak with me. VVS Shankar, are you hearing me? Yes, I admitted. VVS Shankar, are you hearing me? VVS Shankar, when I took it, no, he has disappeared at all. Yes, he's disappeared. Please don't go away. If you don't give the answer, also doesn't matter. But Swati Konakanchi, you mute your. Yes, you mute your. Shalma Sheikh, you mute your microphone. Yes, Swati Konakanchi, are you hearing me? I unmuted you. You also mute your microphone. Yes, if double sound is coming, I don't know why it is coming double sound. Resound, we should not say double sound. Resound is the correct word. Because you are the students of law, and students of law should not use the loose words. Yeah? Double sound, no, don't say double sound. Or triple sound, no, you say resounds. Sorry, you can say echo. Yeah.
It is echo, sir.
Yeah, echo you can say. Yes.
Yes.
Swati Swati Konakanki, I don't know why she is not opening. Yeah. Yeah, no, my point is this. Yes. Now, if they ask you that who is the injured person in the problem two, if they ask such a question, then what would be your answer? Anyone? Sir, we are checking it.
Sir, in-
Sir, Vikram.
Vikram.
Who is the injured person?
Vikram, sir.
See, I already put it over there here. Vikram is the injured person. Vikram is the injured person. Yes, it's good and it is a good. Now the question comes over there. Next question I will ask you. Yeah, okay. Mute. As soon as you give the reply, again you have to mute it. That way that you have to get the practice of it. And of course, in the facts there is nothing is new to. I can share with you regarding the Caesar is a plural form. Caesar is a singular form. But in and at is very much careful because at is a place when you can say. But in Indira Nagar we will say. But generally people say at Indira Nagar. But no matter, Indira Nagar is a big one. That's why we can use also in sometimes, but preferably it is a proper word which should be used over there. Yes, come to the point of the statement of issues are concerned. See, this is the taken from the one of my students, those who sent to me, because I also made of my own the thing which I also want to share. This is my things which I prepared it, where the table of contents I put it in a different manner. But when you come to the indexes of authorities, that I made it, statement of jurisdiction, then I made it, and the statement of facts, I made it, a statement of issues, yes, and I will compare that how I made and how another people made. I would like to see the comparison, and I will to say that where the mistake is committed. Yes, come to the point of now. Here, what I shared is mine, which I developed. Here, I said the person, the other persons like statement of issues are there. What is the another name for the issues? Anyone?
Points.
Point.
Yes, I appreciate. Yes, I appreciate. What is the another name for the issues? Points. Yes, everyone.
Facts.
Dispute.
Facts also, sir.
Pardon?
Facts.
Facts, sir.
No.
Facts, sir. Facts.
Dispute, sir.
Huh?
Disputes.
No.
Statement of the dispute, sir.
No. Anyone?
Point,
If I am-
sir.
No, already given. That is the points are given and issues are given. What is the another name for the issues?
Allegation.
Oh, no. The time is up. Time is up. Ravi Nageshwar, you unmute it. Yeah, now you unmute it. Yes,
Hitch
or no?
also, sir.
I will give the answer. I will give the answer. You
Hitch, sir.
unmute. Yes, mute it. Yes, anybody? సార్ మీరు చెప్పనే లేదు కాస్త మరి అడుగుతానంటారు. Yes. Now all your attempts multiple choice only 4 questions.
We can say Hitch also, sir.
No. Yes. Now you mute it. I will give the answer for you. Yes. Answer is question. Answer is question. Sir, how do you say sir like that? Because I also saw in some other places it is written question. Let me see what he wrote here in the example. Because generally in example and what he wrote in the example here, the list of abbreviations and everything. Better I will scroll it so that you can see it. What this man has made. Statement of the facts. It's well and good. It is one of the model which I made it. See here. Did you see now the screen? Yes. What is written? What is written?
Presented. Questions presented.
Questions presented. So anyway, that my students should not keep the zero face at anywhere. You can write the issues, statement of issues, statement of points, and questions presented. You can write in this way also. Only one issue is there, but you write question presented. or question only. If the two issues are there, questions presented are presented questions. But better you write the question presented only. That is the right way of writing it. Yes, come to the point. Now you learn the new things because for me also is a new. Arguments, yes, you can write arguments or you can also write argument is without S also. Both are correct. But generally the people follows this method and we will follow this method, or if you write only S without S also, it is no matter. Now the question comes over here. What I want to show is, see here, statement of issues. How it is represented? Yes, anyone? Sir, we did not understand your question.
The side heading.
Yes, it's side heading, I admit it. Okay, I admit it, side heading. What about number 1, number 2, number 3?
There are issues. There are issues. 1, 2, 3 Arabic.
Arabic. Yes, I appreciate it's Arabic numerals. Okay. Statement of issues, Arabic numerals. Very good. I appreciate. What is written here in arguments?
Accused humbly submits.
No, issues.
Roman numerals.
Why do you want to change it? Where there you put the Arabic numerals in the issue and you want to change it here the Roman numbers?
That is not
Why do you want
correct,
to change
sir.
it?
We have to. What?
Please,
We have to
uniformity
represent-
should be maintained. See,
We have to
this is the
represent
my.
same.
I developed it. Statement of issues. What are that numbers here?
Roman numerals.
No, Roman small numerals. You have to supposed to say that is Roman small numerals. Yes. Then how I made it here?
Bold face.
Yes. Bold face, small Roman. That you should have to supposed to do it. Why I am showing this one? When you represented in the issues one numerals, again you are represented in the arguments different numeral. You should not be followed in that way. That what I want to share with you. Is it clear? Yes.
sir.
Now come to the scissors is a deadly weapon. Now I will ask a particular person. Please don't open your microphone and open those to whom that I am going to ask the numbers. Yes. Anjani Prasad Rayala. Anjani Prasad Rayala, you can unmute it. You can unmute it, then you can give me the answer. First you say good morning.
Sir, namaste, sir. Good morning,
Namaste,
sir.
sir. Good morning. Namaskar. Anjani Prasad Dayala, I posted yesterday. I posted today. When you want to join in the WebEx platform, you use only hall ticket number.
Sir.
But why did you use your name here?
Sir.
Of course, that refers to the Dr. K.S. and Reddy sir also. And Dinus Mill also. G. Ramakrishna. I said, సప్తేడు సముద్రాలు ఆయన ఒకటి హార్ట్ టికెట్ రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది డాక్టర్ సాబ్ హార్ట్ టికెట్ రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది
Sir.
I'll write, sir. I'll write.
అంటే అర్థం ఏ రిసీవర్ and a source to receiver, there are many gaps. The source says, please enter with your hall ticket number while you are entering the WebEx platform. I'm sorry, I'm not insulting you. I'm not making anything to you. I want to make the correction to you.
Sir.
Okay. And some people, what they did know, they sent me in the WhatsApp group, sir, I entered with my name and hall ticket number. Please. That is not my intention. My intention is whenever you are joining the WebEx platform, don't enter with your name, enter with your hall ticket number. So that if I call the hall ticket number, at that instance, you have to keep it open, your mouth, your voice, that is called microphone. That is the point. Otherwise, people feel, Gorapati Suresh also did the same thing. And M. Sandhya Arani also did the same thing. They used the only means, that means they did not understand how to enter into the WebEx. Please, if any problem would be there, you can ask your friends how to enter with your, because when you are entering, naturally you feed that thing so that it will be entered and it will be shown to me in the participation and their hall ticket number. So there are many people did the same thing, and even Sharath also did the same thing. But I told him also. But anyway, sooner or better you do the same thing, and you better enter.
I simply gave my number. No, I didn't give my name.
Now, in the examination, what will happen? No, number is important, name not.
I gave only number, sir, not my name.
But your name has appeared over here.
No, sir.
But how is there any?
Your name is displaying.
No. 180
Sarath,
680 100.
Here Sarath
Not
is
me.
here Sarath is put it over there, and you are speaking also now, Sarath. Anyway, please try it once again.
Your name is displaying there. Your name. Your
Yes,
name is not there.
Shalma Sheikh name is there. Rai Nageshwar Rao name is there. Ramesh name is there. Rajaram name is there. Only enter the. See, these people enter only the number. Like 1165 two times. 1152, 1142, 1129, 128. These people enter with the. Bhamat Chandravati 1159. No. But anyway, that is subject to the correction, because in the examination they don't want the name, they want your number. Number is more important than your name, because by number only they will, of course there is the name also there, and number only they will give the marks. So that is the reason I told you entered with the number. Anyway, no matter. Now I would like to ask, because when I ask a particular person, they are not opening their mouthpieces. That is my fate. I don't know why they want to make like that. Here Ramesh, you kept it open your mouthpiece. Now you speak, Ramesh, Ramesh. Ramesh. Now you speak with me, because in the first issue you say Caesar is a Ramesh.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, very good morning. Now give me the answer to my question.
Tell me, sir.
Caesar is a deadly weapon, you wrote. That is the first issue. Then what is your contention?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know, but you wrote and submitted it also, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ramesh, you don't know. What do you want to prove it here? See, I will give the answer, no matter for you. But when you say deadly weapon, yes, I unmuted it. Rajaram, you tell me. Rajaram, you can speak. Rajaram, you can speak.
Sir, Caesar is a deadly weapon. Sir.
Go on.
Hello.
Go on.
Sir. Signal is not proper.
మాట్లాడండి చెప్పండి.
Caesar is deadly weapon.
Okay.
Intentionally. And intentionally, if attack any person.
మీ కంక్లూజన్ ఏంటి దీంట్లో? ఫస్ట్ ఇష్యూలో మీ కంక్లూజన్ ఏంటి?
కన్క్లూజన్ అంటే సీజర్ అనేది డెడ్లీ వెపన్ కాదని.
మరి కంక్లూజన్ ఏం చెప్తాండ్రు మీరు? అవునంటాన్రా కాదంటాన్రా?
అంటే ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా దాడి చేస్తే అది ఖచ్చితంగా అది డెడ్లీ సార్.
మీరు ఏం ప్రూవ్ చెప్తాండ్రు ఇక్కడ రిజల్ట్ లా?
ఎస్, డెడ్లీ
వెపన్ అనే చెప్తాండ్రు. మరి డెడ్లీ వెపన్ అనే చెప్తే మీరు గెలుస్తారా ఓడిపోతారా
సార్?
చెప్పండి.
డెడ్లీ వెపన్ అంటే మనం ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా దాడి చేస్తున్నాం సార్.
అవునండి, కరెక్టే. మీరు గెలవాలా? మీరు గెలవాలంటే ఏం చెప్పాలా దాన్ని?
అంటే గెలవాలి అంటే ఇప్పుడు అది మర్డర్ గా డిసైడ్ చేయలేదు సార్. అది మీరు
గెలవాలా అంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే, ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే అది డెడ్లీ వెపన్ కాదు, అది డేంజరస్ వెపన్ అని చెప్పాలా మీరు? ఏమనాలా?
సార్
అది డెడ్లీ వెపన్ కాదు అని మీరు రాసింది అదే, మీరు రాసింది అదే. ఇక్కడ చూపెడతాను ఆగండి. ఇక్కడ ఏమని రాసిండ్రు? కింద ఏం బట్టి రాసిండ్రు? డేంజరస్ వెపన్ అని రాసిండ్రు. సెక్షన్ 326 హ్యాస్ టు బి టేకింగ్ నోట్ ఆఫ్ ది హెడింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది సెక్షన్. వాట్ వుడ్ కాన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఏ డేంజరస్ వెపన్ వుడ్ డిపెండ్ అపాన్ ద ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ కేస్ అండ్ no generalization can be made and rasindu. So the case law in hand, scissor is not a deadly weapon as there was no death even after the 11 stabs, and it would come under the ambit of the dangerous weapon, and injuries caused was only the simple injury అన్నారు. సార్ అది నేను రాయలేదు సార్, ఎవరో రాసిండ్రు.
సార్
మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నదా పుస్తకం? ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నదా మీ దగ్గర? మీ దగ్గర రికార్డు ఉన్నదా?
ఉంది సార్.
ఉన్నదా రికార్డ్ లేదా?
ఉంది సార్.
ఉంది. కనీసం చూసన్నా చెప్పలే కదా మీరు. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం ప్లీజ్ కీప్ ఇట్ రెడీ. మీరు ఆ విధంగా తయారు కాండి. ఓకే ఓకే అనండి.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే
రైట్. ఇక మ్యూట్ చేసేసేయండి. ఇక మీరు
ఓకే సార్.
మ్యూట్ చేసేసేయండి. ఎస్ ఎస్ హియర్ అగైన్ ఐ సే సంధ్యా రాణి. Yes, please unmute your microphone, then give me the answer for the question. Sandhya Rani.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now you tell me, what is your second issue?
Whether the nature of injuries is simple.
Yes. Mali, what do you want to prove it?
This is the on the accused side, sir. The nature of injuries is very simple, sir. Only for the 11 stitches, punches, sir. Dr. David says it is not a death cause. It is only for the simple injuries, sir. Sir, 11 punches only. 11 punches only, sir. So it is not anything.
11 ఏంటి చెప్పండి?
11 punches, sir. Punches means he
అవి పంచెస్ కావు నాయన, అది PUNCHE పంచెస్ కావు, పంక్చర్డ్ వౌండ్స్.
punctured wounds.
పంక్చర్డ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ చెప్పండి. స్పెల్లింగ్ చెప్పండి.
Punctured PUN, sir.
PUNCTURED పంక్చర్డ్.
Yes, sir.
అది నాట్ పంచ్. పంచ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే, పంచ్ అంటే తెలుసా అండి?
I know, sir. I know.
వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్. చెప్పండి.
So the wounds are not any severe. This is only for the not any third skin. Only for the second bottom of the skin. Dr. David gave the report, sir.
ఇప్పుడు కంక్లూజన్ చెప్పండి. కంక్లూజన్ చెప్పండి.
The 307 is not applicable here, sir. Under section 307 IPC.
అది థర్డ్ సెక్షన్, అది థర్డ్ ఇష్యూ. అది మీరు చెప్పేది. ఇంకోటి మనం మాట్లాడేది సెకండ్ ఇష్యూ. మనం మాట్లాడేది సెకండ్ ఇష్యూ.
Okay, sir. Injuries are simple, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. దట్ ఈస్ చెప్పాల్సింది. అది అసలు సంగతి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం తెలిసిందంటే, ఎస్ నౌ యు మ్యూట్ ఇట్. అంటే ఏం చెప్పాలి? సెకండ్ ఇష్యూలా ఇంజురీస్ ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయి అని మనం డిస్కస్ చేసినప్పుడు, అండ్ అటు ఏం చెప్పాలంటే సెకండ్ ఇష్యూలా ద నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజురీస్ ఆర్ సింపుల్ అనేది మనం తీసుకురావాలా, గ్రీవస్ అని తీసుకురావద్దు. ఎందుకంటే మనము అక్యూజ్ తరపు నుండి ఆలోచిస్తున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు టైం ఎంత అయిందంటే 10:35 అయింది. స్టిల్ మనకు దగ్గర దాదాపు 10 or 15 minutes ఉన్నది. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా టైం ఇది. మనం థర్డ్ ఇష్యూకి పోదాం. ఇక అన్ని కేసులు మాత్రం సెకండ్ ఇష్యూ ఆ విధంగానే ఉన్నాయి. నౌ థర్డ్ ఇష్యూ, మీరు ఎవరు మాట్లాడద్దు. నేను ఎవరిని అడుగుతానే వాళ్ళే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి మాట్లాడాలా. ఓకే. నౌ ఐ విల్ గో టు ద నౌ ఐ సా ప్రసన్న, యు అన్మ్యూట్ ఇట్ వెన్ యు స్పీక్ విత్ మీ.
Sir.
Yes, Prasanna, now you tell me what is your third issue?
Third issue.
ఏంటండి? మాట్లాడాలా?
Good morning, sir.
చెప్పండి. వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. చెప్పండి. థర్డ్ ఇష్యూ ఏంటిది మీది?
Third issue. I don't know, sir.
అంటే మీ దగ్గర పుస్తకం ఉన్నదా?
రికార్డు లేదు సార్, జిరాక్స్ ఫోన్ లో ఉంది.
నేనేమన్నా 13th మార్చి నాడు ఏమన్నా నేను, మీరు సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ హార్డ్ కాపీ మీ దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి. కాకతీయ యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళు సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ అని అడగచ్చు, హార్డ్ కాపీ అని అడగచ్చు. ఫిజికల్లీ దే వాంట్ టు సీ ఇట్, మనం చూపెట్టాలా, కాబట్టి మీ దగ్గర పెట్టుకోవాలా అన్నానా లేదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎస్, దట్ వై డిడ్ నాట్ యూ కీప్ విత్ యూ? రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ లో అదే చెప్తారా మీరు? సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు కాకతీయ యూనివర్సిటీ ఎగ్జామినర్ మీకు అడిగింది అనుకోండి, ప్రసన్న గారు చెప్పండి థర్డ్ ఇష్యూ ఏం రాసిండ్రు మీరు అన్నారు అనుకోండి. సార్ నా దగ్గర బుక్ లేదు సార్, నేను కాలేజీలో ఇచ్చేసానంటే ఊకుంటాడా? కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద ప్రసన్న, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ద notion, it is for the each and everybody that you are supposed to make it. Yes, now okay, you unmute it, then you can listen to the other people, then what they say. Now I will come to the point of the other students. I want to go, then the time is up here. Venkat, 1089 last 4 digits. Venkat, you tell me now. చెప్పాలా వెంకట్. You unmute your microphone and you speak. Venkat.
Pass on, sir. My record.
1089. మాట్లాడాలా 1038. Venkat, 18 series. ఈ ప్రాక్టీస్ దేనికంటే డ్రిల్లింగ్. ఈ డ్రిల్లింగ్ ఎందుకంటే కనీసం అన్మ్యూట్ చేసినా మాట్లాడడానికి డ్రిల్లింగ్. మీరు జవాబు కరెక్ట్ ఇచ్చినా రాంగ్ ఇచ్చినా ఏదైనా కాకపోతే ఏంటి మాట్లాడండి. వెంకట్ హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ 1089 లాస్ట్ 4 డిజిట్స్. అది తెలుగులో శాస్త్రం ఒకటి ఉన్నది. ఐ డోంట్ నో వెదర్ యు నో ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్. వనభోజనాలు అంటే తెలుసా అండి? వాడు అప్పు చేసి వనభోజనాలకు పోయిండు. అప్పు ఇచ్చినోడు ఇంటికి వచ్చిండు. ఇంటికి చేసే వారికి తాళం ఉన్నది. దాంట్లో ఏమంటాయంటే వర్రి వీడి బాయ్, వండక తిన వాడు బాయ్ అంటాం. Yes, now the 5 minutes are left over there. Then I will say that the third issue is nothing but it is a 307 issue, whether it is attempt to murder or not. But here we are arguing on behalf of the accused, and here we will say that it is not amount to the murder, it is only the simple and grievous hurt. And what is the article? Anyone? What is the article? Instead of 307, what is the article?
Section 307, sir.
అయ్యా 307 అంటే అటెంప్ట్ టు మర్డర్. అది అటెంప్ట్ టు మర్డర్ కాదు నాయన, ఇది సింపుల్ గ్రీవియస్ అట్టే చెప్తాను. అయితే 307 ఈజ్ డిసెండెడ్ టు సెక్షన్. అది 307 కాదు సార్. మనం ప్రేయర్లో ఏం చెప్పినాం? మనం ప్రేయర్లో చూడండి ఏమని చెప్పినాం ఇక్కడ. చదవండి ఇప్పుడు, కనీసం ఎవరైనా చదవండి ఒకరు. ప్రేయర్లో థర్డ్ ఇష్యూ ఏమున్నది?
324 IPC.
Light of the issue is the argument cited with sections and formalities. It is humbly requested that the honorable court may be pleased to adjudicate.
Section 324 should be applied instead of section 307.
ఇప్పుడు నేను చదువుతానండి.
307 is not applied.
307 is not applicable. It will be reduced to the applicability of the section 324, which is a simple hurt. Then we can say, because you are arguing on behalf of the accused కాబట్టి మనం ఆ విధంగా పెట్టుకోవాలా. సార్ రోజు కొత్త ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్లు చేస్తానండి సార్. మీరు ఏం ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసినండి చెప్పండి.
Do we have time, sir?
తెలుగులో
Do we have a time, sir?
కొత్త కొత్త ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్లు చేస్తానండి సార్ మీరు. ఎస్, కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఈస్ కన్సర్న్. ఎస్, నౌ ఐ విల్ సే దట్ ప్లీజ్ because 1163 is now is coming over there. They admitted him and I appreciate it because yesterday students are less and today students are more. I am sure that this continuity will be continued till our mark MCPE. నాకు కొంతమందికి డౌట్ వచ్చింది, నాకు అడుగుతా ఉన్నట్టు ఎంసీపీఈ అంటే ఏంటిది అనేది అడుగుదాం ఎవరికన్నా. ఎస్, ఎంసీపీఈ అంటే ఏంటిదండి? గొర్రపాటి సురేష్ మీరు చెప్పండి సార్. గొర్రపాటి సురేష్ గారు, రేపటి నుంచి మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే హాల్ టికెట్ తో ఎంటర్ కాండి. గొర్రపాటి సురేష్ గారు, నేను అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తానా మీరు మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను, నేను అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తానా మీరు మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను.
హలో,
ఎస్, గొర్రపాటి సురేష్ గారు చెప్పండి.
ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ సార్. సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
వెరీ వెరీ మార్నింగ్ గొర్రపాటి సురేష్ గారు చెప్పండి.
సార్ మూట్ కోర్ట్స్. హలో,
ఎంసీపీఈ అన్నా నేను. ఎంసీపీఈ అంటే ఏం అర్థం చేసుకున్నారు మీరు?
సార్ ఏంటి సార్?
ఎంసీపీఈ అన్నా నేను వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టినప్పుడు.
మూడ్ కోడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్.
మోట్ కోర్ట్ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. మూట్ కోర్ట్ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఇప్పుడు మనం నడిచేది ఏంటిది? మాక్ మూట్ కోర్ట్ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ టెస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు ఎంతవరకు కంప్లీట్ చేసామండి మనం?
అయిపోయింది
సార్ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం అడుగు సార్.
థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ చేసినా మనం? సారీ గొర్రెపాటి సురేష్ గారు, మనం థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇంకా పోతే సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లమే కంప్లీట్ చేసినాం. థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం రేపు. థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం రేపు. బ్లూ కవర్. బ్లూ కవర్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఎస్ ఎస్. రేపటి నుంచి ఎట్లా జాయిన్ కావాలా వెబెక్స్ లో? మీ హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ తో జాయిన్ కావాలా? మీ హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబరు హెచ్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్ టి ఫుల్ స్టాప్ ఎన్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ స్మాల్ 0 తర్వాత ఫుల్ స్టాప్ తర్వాత 18068L తర్వాత 4 డిజిట్స్. దాంతో మీరు వెబెక్స్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో ఎంటర్ కావాలా రేపటి నుంచి. ఇట్లా పేరు రావద్దు, పేరు రాస్తే బాగుండదు. నేనంటే పేరుతో పిలుస్తా ఉంటా, బట్ నౌ యూ ఫీల్ హ్యూమిలియేటెడ్ అండ్ యూ ఫీల్ ఇన్సల్టెడ్ ఆల్సో. మై ఇంటెన్షన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ టు హ్యూమిలియేట్ యూ. మై ఇంటెన్షన్ ఈ టు మేక్ ఎ బోల్డ్ లైక్ ఏ లయన్ ఆర్ లయనస్. సార్ లయన్ అంటారు కాదు సార్, మేము లేడీస్ మేము ఎటు పోవాలంటారు మీరు, అందుకోసమే లయన్ ఆర్ లయనస్. నేను ఇంకోటి కూడా చెప్పిన, ద జనరల్ క్లాస్ యాక్ట్ ఇట్ క్లియర్లీ సేస్ 1897 that if I use the masculine gender it also include the feminine gender. If I use the feminine gender it also include the masculine gender అని చెప్పాను. ద జనరల్ క్లాస్ యాక్ట్ ని ఇంకొక పేరు ఉన్నదండి, లా ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లాస్. ఏమనాలా? లా ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లాస్ అంటే జనరల్ క్లాస్ యాక్ట్ అన్నట్టు అర్థం. అది సపోజ్ మీకు ఎల్ఎల్ఎం ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో అడిగింది అనుకోండి, లా ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లాస్ అంటే ఏంటిది అంటే అది మదర్ ఆఫ్ లాస్ అంటే గ్రంథం. అది మదర్ ఆఫ్ యాక్చువల్లీ దట్ ద గ్రంథం అంటే మనం కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ చెప్పుకోవాలి.
మదర్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లాస్ ఇస్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్.
లేదు, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. See, that is a Grandnam, that is. If any act which is contravention the constitution is null and void. But jurisprudence అంటారు చూడండి, మదర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్, నాట్ లాస్ కాదు, మదర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్ అని చెప్పాలి, కరెక్ట్ వాడి చెప్పాలంటే. ఇట్స్ మదర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్ ఈజ్ jurisprudence. I think mother of laws means constitution అని చెప్పాలా. Yes, you are right. I think please subject to the correction because I am also human being. I am not a robot. I also committed a mistakes. So my mistakes will be corrected by the other people, including my students.
May I say one thing?
Yes, please.
Jurisprudence is mother of law of science.
Yes, mother of law of science is a jurisprudence, but the mother of all laws, mother of laws means the sense which say Grandnam only. Grandnam only, then the constitution. Constitution only that we will say. Anyway, thank you very much. The meeting will be end for the all participants in 5 minutes. Still 5 minutes are left over there. Then I would like to ask you the one question that we will. Is there any doubts in this today's class? Because I want to share some more things, but meanwhile I could not share it. But we thought of yes.
If the questions are if the questions are asked like this, many students can answer, sir.
Yes. That is the drill section. This is drilling. మీకు school level drill.
If the university authorities also follow the same manner, then they will be the students will be in a position to answer almost all the questions.
Yes. Now ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను మీకు, ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా టైం ఉన్నది కాబట్టి. టీచింగ్ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రొఫెషన్ ఆర్ నాట్?
It's a profession.
The profession, sir.
Sir, because it requires skill and update of knowledge.
Teaching is not a profession. Teaching is an occupation. You cannot bring in an action against a teacher under the profession negligence. But you can bring in an action against Dr. Satyanarayan Garu. Sorry, Satyanarayan Garu. I mean, doctor. You can bring in an action against the architect. You can bring in an action against the surveyor. You can bring in an action against the medical staff, including the anesthetist and the nurses. And there is a one word is there, actuaries. ACTUARY. 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 ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలుగుతారండి వాట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువరీ? Yes.
The actual person who is expected to deliver the thing.
So I will give the answer. ACTUARY is a professional. He is an expert in mathematics and statistics and probability to know the uncertain event going to happen over there, and he will fix the installment of insurance. And such an expert is called actuary. That is he is a professional. He is a professional. That I would like to say. And now I would like to say the another thing. Who said 100 innocent may be acquitted? One, yes. Guilty man should not be
Punishable.
one innocent cannot be punished. Not that is the. Then who said that thing?
MK Gandhi.
See, here let 100 guilty be acquitted, but one innocent should not be convicted. But William Blackstone said, better than 10 guilty persons escape than one innocent suffer. And Benjamin Franklin further argued that it is better a 100 guilty person should escape that one innocent person should not suffer. But opposite to that one, German Chancellor Otto von Bismarck is believed to have remarked, it is better than 10 innocent men suffer than one guilty man escape. I repeat, Bismarck said, it is better than 10 innocent men suffer than one guilty man escape. It is a controversy to the other. But Indian law will follow that beyond the reasonable doubt. What they follow? Beyond the reasonable doubt, they will follow. Is it clear?
The accused is given a lot of chance to defend himself.
Yes, because our is a reformative theory. Our is a reformative theory. That's why the accused will be given a chance. And today the record is very good. 43 or 44 have come, but before I left and students already left, that now the participants are 37. Discipline is a very important factor. Of course, unless until they do have some emergency, okay, they can go over there. Suppose the students are the diabetic patients. Yes, the urinals, they cannot stop it. Better they can go away. And necessary things are there. There is an exemption. But yes.
Sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, Singham Janardhan, sir.
Yes.
Small doubts.
Yes, please అడగండి టైం అయిపోతుంది అడగండి.
సార్ ఏంటంటే సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది అక్యూజ్ సైడ్ కంప్లైంట్ సైడ్ ఇట్లా డివైడెడ్ గా వేరే బ్యాచెస్ చేస్తే మన పార్టిసిపేషన్ కూడా తగ్గి కొంచెం ఈ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ లేకుండా యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జామ్ కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి ఈజీ అవుతుంది కదా సార్.
నేను ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నానంటే ఇవి సపోజ్ ఎగ్జామినర్ మీకు అడుగుతాడు